Hello, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the coffee mill of your Delonghi Magnifica machine. The first time you use it, you will need to make a number of coffee to identify the correct knob position through trial and error. But if this is done, maybe you have some problems with your mill. The coffee mill is set by default to prepare coffee correctly and should not require regulation initially. However, after making the first few coffees, you'll find that the coffee is either too weak and not creamy enough, or delivery is too slow, a drop at a time. This can be corrected by adjusting the grinding adjustment knob. Here you can see the grinding adjustment knob on the top side of this video. The grinding adjustment knob must only be turned when the coffee mill is in operation. To obtain delivery, not a drop at a time, turn one click clockwise towards 7. For fuller bodied creamier coffee, turn one click anti-clockwise toward 1. Do not turn more than one click at a time, otherwise the coffee could be delivered a drop at a time. This adjustment will only be evident after at least 2 cups of coffee have been made. If this adjustment does not obtain the desired result, turn the knob another click. Here it is now in progress, and now we set it. Job's done. That's enough. Then you have to make 2 cups of coffee and have a check. After you checked it, you can rotate it another time, but only if the mill is in progress. This is important because the mill is still running then, and then you can adjust it. If you do this without in business, it could make some damage to your mill. This is important. That means turn it only if it is necessary, and turn it only if the mill is in progress. If the coffee runs off too slowly or not at all, and this is a damaged thing, you have to do this. Turn the knob of the coffee grinding knob 1 notches clockwise. And if it is enough, job's done. And if it's not enough, then turn the opposite side. And there you can see more crema is delivered. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Soon.